Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can change the current working directory. So, my Python file is at one location and from that location, I want to change the current working directory. So, let's see what is my current working directory right now. Let's import OS for that and then print current working directory. cwd is, let's print it as os.get cwd is the command for that. Now run this. So my current working directory is up to OS module, this path, right? So I have new folder at this location and inside that I have one folder Sachin and inside that I have Python folder. I want to change my directory to this location, to the Python, right? So how we can do that? We have a simple method in OS like os.chdir, which means change directory, right? Now we want to change to Python from new folder to Sachin to Python, right? This was the location. Let's check it as. So we have new folder here, right? Then Sachin and then Python, right? We have given the same path. Now, after changing this directory, once this command will get executed, let's print the current working directory again so that we can get the idea that whether our working directory, current working directory has been changed or not. I would say it has updated CWDs. Now you can see updated CWD is this up to Python, and that is what we needed, right? Now, if you want to come one level up or two level up, how you can come and how you can do that, right? So for that, you have to change the directory, right? So what you can do, you can use dots for that. If I say we need to keep it inside the quotes, so if I say two dots here, then it will jump one level up. So I will comment it here one level up. So my current directory up to here is this one, right? Now we will come in Sachin, right? So we will jump from Python to Sachin. So let's print it if it is working. Updated current working directory is after one level up, right? Now print it. Now you can see from Python we have moved to the Sachin. Now you can see here. So the current working directory is now at Sachin. Now if you want to come two level up from here, right? How you can do that? You will have to again use the same command. I will say two level up, then slash and then two dots again. Then after, let's print the current working directory, right? So what should come here? From Sachin it will come to new folder and then new folder 2 it will come to OS module, right? There are two jumps will be there. So let's print it. So now you can see that we have come to OS module. It has jumped from Sachin to new folder and then from new folder to OS module. So this is how you can change the current working directory in Python. Thank you.